guys, welcome to Fun Toys Everywhere. And today we got this package from Amazon. We don't know if it's my mom's stuff or Q train. My mom just ordered the Q train yesterday, but hopefully it's in there. So let's find out. Can you guess it? Stuff or the Q train? Let's find out. So my mom has to cut it with the knife. Like this. She's cutting it. Oh. There we go.
You cannot show the address.
Yeah.
You're going to have people knocking on the door.
Yeah, I'm not going to show you the address. Oh, look at this.
I see it in there.
Wait, what? Oh, it's the Q train. It's an R46. Guys, you won't believe it. It's the new Q train that my mom ordered yesterday. Look at her stuff.
It's my stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And now, what I want to do with these, I'm going to pop them. So, cover your ears, everybody. This is going to be loud. And 3, 2, 1. This is so loud, right? Keep covering your ears. Oh my God, that was a big one. Come on. Another one. Another one. Wait, let me put my ear on the floor to hear the echo. Maybe echoes come there too. Oh, never mind, no echo. Whoa. Okay, I'm done packing these. Now they're going to the garbage. Yeah. I cannot believe the choo-choo ride. It's an R46. I just wanted an R160, but it's okay. You get what you get. Don't get upset, everybody. Okay. Okay, clean the camera. Today, this is an R46. It's a Broadway Express. The Q train runs from 96th Street along the new 2nd Avenue line and down through Manhattan and out to Coney Island's yards. What a cool train! Based on our standard wooden railway systems. Subway fun for 3 ages ago with a one-piece hardwood body, non-toxic child-safe paints, latest in service models. So, it's a Munipals. It's from a Munipals. So let's start unboxing. You can see it has tape. Do not worry about the tape. I'm gonna take it off. Come on, stupid tape. Get out, stupid tape. Come on. There we go. I got the tape out. Cute tape. Get that out. Yeah. Let's start unboxing it. Let's take it out. Yeah, start taking it out. Oh my God, this is hard. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay. You can see the front of the train. See the front. Yeah. Get out. Hey!
I'm going to watch a movie. You're doing your own thing with the phone, okay?
Okay. Let's take it out. Ugh, too hard. Too hard to take it out. Oh, there we go. This actually smells good. It says Broadway Express. I'm gonna put this in my train collection. Ooh, looks like we have the manual. Please see manual. It's not the manual. It's the instructions. See, I didn't even get the W train. My mom's gonna get it in 2 more days. So yeah. The Chicago style. Go here. You can see. I already have the A, B, C, D, E, F, D, the J element, the R, S, and Z. And I already have the Q train. It's the Long Island Railroad, the Metro North Railroad. Nice. The bus depot, just like the Home Depot. See the A train? 42nd Street. Let's put this back. Oh, come on. There we go. See. Look at the box. Safe, sturdy, and fun. Let's take a tour in the box. Look at it. It's empty. I took out the train. It's so cool. I love this train. Key-train. Munipals key-train. The same as the R train because it has the yellow sign. Hopefully the W train is an R46. I mean, R160. It doesn't have an R146 W train. And it looks cool. See, look, it's so cool. It also has a mirror over here. See, look. Mirror. See, you can see myself on the mirror. On the magnet. It's a magnet. Yeah, see, it's a magnet. Yeah. This is so cool. I love this cute train.
Want some fruit? The rice? Sister?
Okay. All right. Let me do something first. I'll spread it out. Come on. I think that's perfect. Maybe that's fine. Okay, guys, I will be right back. Hold on.
Are you going live?
No. You think I'm going live, Mommy?
No.
I'm not live. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's open this box. And it's empty as well. And guys, I have a good feature. Watch. See, you can see my finger, my thumb. And of course, this is so cool. Whoa. I buried the box. Look at that. It's actually flat. See, look, it's flat. Look, it's flat. Flatty box. Flatty box. officially licensed. So, you guys probably what I did. So you better close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open. I just put this in the wall. You can see. I put it in the wall. It's just cool. And last but not least, I need that W train. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for tours everywhere. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Until next time, bye. Also, don't forget, there's going to be some rain with thunderstorms on Saturday. Bye. Peace.